Hey, this is Steve with Dabble Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple skill using skill templates. And this is one video that I'm going to do in a series of videos on different skill templates. And I'm trying to create a site that has templates that make it really easy for you to get up and going with skills that provide different functionality. So you can either use the templates to build as a starting point to build onto skills, or just use the templates to learn how to build skills. And so let me jump into it. If you want to get notified when new templates come out, go to skilltemplates.com. Just got a few templates right now, but I'll be adding to it as the year unfolds. So here's how it works. Well, actually, first of all, you need a couple of things for this to work. You need to, you can go to skill templates and go to getting started, and this will give you more details about what you need to use the templates. But basically, you need an Amazon Web Services account that you can get from aws.amazon.com, a developer account that you can get from developer.amazon.com, and then you'll also need the Alexa Skills Kit command line interface with the Ask CLI. And again, you can get the details on how to get that stuff if you don't have it by going to skilltemplates.com and then getting started. But once you have that installed, you can use a skill template by using the command line interface, the Alexa command line interface, to create a new skill project. And the way that you do that is to use the ask command, ask and then new, and then template, like that, and then the URL to the skill templates list of templates, available templates, and that URL is http whoops, too many T's, skilltemplates.com /templates .json, JSON, just like that. And I'll zoom that in a little bit so you can see that. And when you do that, it's going to pull down a list of available templates. And right now there's just a few of them. I did a video on the API starter template last week, and this week I probably should have started with the basic starter, but this week I'm going to do the basic starter. So you would select the basic starter template like this, and that is going to pull all the code and everything that you need from a GitHub repository and create a folder in the folder or directory that you ran the command in, called basic-starter, just like this. And everything that you need to deploy the skill is there right now. So you can just change into that directory. So basic, like that. And then there's a deploy command that you can use to deploy the skill, which would push it out to the Alexa developer portal, and then the back end would get pushed out to the Amazon Web Services. The Lambda function would get pushed out to the Amazon Web Services, and the skill would be functional at that point. I'll show you that in just a second here. This skill is based on the default template that comes with the Ask CLI, the Alexa Skills Kit CLI. So it's just a simple hello world skill. The one on skills template has been modified a little bit, mostly to include some things that you would want to, or you would need to have to publish the skill. So like your icon URLs and your URLs to your terms of use and your privacy policy. So you can go into skill.json here and modify all of this stuff, the descriptions and the name and all of that, before you deploy. If you want to actually get it ready to go live, you can also go into the model down here, and you can change the invocation name. So right now I've got it as hello world template, but let me just deploy it and show you what's happening. So we'll go back down here and go ask deploy, and like I said, this is going to push this out to the developer console and deploy the Lambda function. And while that's happening, we'll go and log in over here. to developer.amazon.com. If you don't have one of these accounts, you can set one up. You can sign up for free. And once you're logged in, you're going to go to the developer console here. Oh, why? Let's try that again. Go to the Alexa menu and then the Alexa Skills Kit. And you'll see once it deploys the basic starter, which is this one here. And I deployed one earlier, so this is another one, but this is the one that was just deployed. And everything is ready to go. So once the Lambda function has been deployed, and we can log in to aws.amazon.com to check to make sure that that is deployed, and then we will test it out. So going to the Lambda into aws.amazon.com, and then go to Lambda, which just type Lambda or go to the menu. It should be deployed now. So there's our functions deployed. So we should be ready to go. So let's go test it out. So we'll go back over here and then go to back into the developer console, and you can go test here and then enable testing. And then from the we'll use the new test simulator here. From the test simulator, you go to the test simulator, and remember the name that we used was gosh, what did I call this? I think it was what do we call this? Basic starter, but the invocation name was Hello World template. Okay. So we'll go back over here and test it, and we'll just hit open Hello World template.
Hello World.
And there it is. So in just a couple of keystrokes from the command line, we pulled down the starter template and deployed it. And now we have a functional skill. Of course, at this point, you'll probably want to go modify it and redeploy it. So you can go into the code that was pulled down as part of the template, and go into Lambda and then custom, and then the Lambda function code is here. And you can modify this and get familiar with that. And then again, the configuration for the skill manifest, or all of the settings that you see in the developer console, are all set with this skill.json here. And so that is a really simple way to get going with a skill template. Again, this is almost exactly like the one that is included if you just do ask new. But skill templates also has some other templates that you can use that provide a little bit more functionality. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those, and I will respond just as soon as possible. Thanks so much.